ratchet in my hand. We from California, rolling with it done. If we catch a misdemeanor, the ears don't collide. We like communication, but that's the way she like. Nah, 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 nah. The only rock designer. I thought I would. Good morning, y'all. It is November the 3rd, the day before my birthday. Welcome or welcome back. I'm D, if you are new. I don't know if I'm going to add this in to my birthday vlog or add it in another video. I don't know. But hey, y'all, I'm D if you're new. I ordered some lashes. So I had told y'all in a previous video that I was taking care of my lashes, making sure they grow back out healthy and good. So I haven't been getting any lash extensions done. So I did order me some lashes for my birthday. And I think I paid $20 or $15 for this pack. It was actually on sale. The seller was on Facebook or Instagram. If I can find the name, I will put the name on the screen. And if I forget to put it on the screen, I will put it in the description box. So let's open. Okay. I was going to say, I know I put my scissors back. Because if I don't put stuff back where I put it, I'll have to dig to find it. So let's open it up. And let's see. So this is how the lash kit looks. It has the little tweezers and it has the glue. And then it has the mink lashes already in a cluster. DIY lash extension kit. So let me get I don't know if I'm going to record while I'm doing these, but I just want to make sure I know what I'm doing and how I want the lashes to look. And I don't want to wait to the last minute to be filling with them or to make sure the glue can stay. So I'm thinking, okay, it's the day before I go. I don't want to go on the day I'm leaving and my lashes falling off. The glue don't work for me or the glue burn my eyes. So I figure out the earlier I can find out is the better. So I'm going to get started and I'll just pop back in periodically and show y'all. And yeah, my nail appointment is later on this afternoon at 6 o'clock. So let's start working on these and I'll be back. All right. I just want to show y'all it open. I hope it's not the glare. That's the stick for the glue. That's the tweezers. And then these are the mink lash clusters. So this will be faster because it's not them individually. So I like that. That's what made me buy this kit. If y'all hear anything rambling, sneezing, or knocking about, y'all know Mr. is home and he is back there. So here we go. And let me get started. I got my mirror right here. That's closer up. I don't need the batteries in it because the light from my vanity is bright enough. So this is the seal. This is the seal that seals them after you lay them. And this is the brush side that puts the glue on the lash. So let me see if I know what I'm doing first, and then I'll be back to show y'all. Okay, y'all, I struggled a little bit, but this eye is done. I didn't want to do too much on the eyelash. The glue is so tacky, y'all. So the instructions say to brush this over your eyelashes and then lay the lash, but the glue is so tacky. I have to, let me show y'all. I have to take the lash, then take this. I have to brush it on here like this. Then I have to lay it under my eyelash. So let me go ahead and get finished, but this is the difference. I gave myself a cat eye. And yeah, I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I'm back home from getting my nails done. Y'all, I love my nails so much. Show y'all my nails right quick. They're so bling and so beautiful. And tell me why the girl that did my nails, her mama is one of my people that come into my job all the time, and me and her mom are friends, and I did not even know that. Tell me why her mom was in there fixing a Christmas tree, and I walk around the corner to go to the bathroom. I was like, what? This your mama? Because that's my girl, but I only know her from coming into my job all the time like that, and me and her mom already had a you know, relationship and stuff like that. So that was so cool. When I tell you, she made me a drink, she brought me a little cupcake with a little candle on it. I'm gonna put the clip of the video in this video to show y'all, but she is so sweet. She know a piece of English, but me and her just have our own little relationship, and we had it like way before I met her daughter. So to find out that her daughter was the one doing my nails was even better. I feel like I was meant to meet her, and I was meant to meet her daughter. On top of that, I don't know how she whipped this gift up in 3.9 minutes. Baby, look. She whipped me up a gift. So I wanted to wait. I don't know what it is. I wanted to wait and open it with you guys. So we're about to see what she gave me. And I'm thankful for it because she didn't have to do anything for me, you know. That's what I say, it's good to be kind to people no matter what situation you're in, because you never know when you may meet a person or anything. So it's a couple of things in here. It's oh, this is pretty. It's a pretty hair clamp. I love that, and it's green, my favorite color. I don't know if I ever told y'all my favorite color was green. That's my favorite color. She gave me some Epsom salt. Y'all know I need to soak this bad body. Y'all know I be hurting. So that's a plus for me. She gave me some compression socks. I need these because my ankle be swelling. Look, everything she already done gave me, I need. It's a couple of things down in here. And she gave me body oil, almond oil, vanilla. This is a whole body oil, shower gel, almond oil, jojoba, vanilla, and almond oil moisturizer. Body lotion. This is luxurious bath milk. This is a whole body care set she gave me. Also, I like that. Then she gave me some lashes. Y'all, she whipped this gift up in 2.3 minutes. She gave me some more lashes. And then she gave me 2 Vitamin Glow masks. I appreciate her so much, and I thank her so much for thinking of me, you know, to give me anything. And I love this because, yeah, I know a lot of y'all know that my favorite color is green. So I love this, and I thank her. Her daughter is so sweet. Her mother is so sweet. And I got me a new nail girl, y'all. So me and Mr., I'm about to take a shower. Me and Mr. gonna chill because y'all know I have to go to the doctor tomorrow on my actual birthday. I'm about to put this stuff up, and I'll check back in with you guys tomorrow. And we'll find out tomorrow where Mr. is taking me. Bye, y'all. Okay, y'all. Me and Mr. is outside my doctor's office. Y'all know I told y'all I had a doctor's appointment on my birthday, so I'm waiting to go in, and Mr. gonna go handle him some business while I'm in the doctor, and then we're gonna be on our way to wherever he's taking me for my birthday. I put a couple of clips in of last night. I hope I remember to put the clips in of my me not knowing I was going to one of my friends from work's house to get my nails done by her daughter. I just loved it, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this appointment over with. If you're still watching, put my purple hearts down. Y'all know I love my purple hearts. And I'll check back in with y'all. And I'm gonna make sure once I come back, I'll be able to tell y'all where we at and what we doing with my birthday. Let me get this doctor's appointment over with. Bye, y'all. All right, y'all, it's 5 o'clock. Y'all know I had my doctor's appointment today. Ooh, y'all, this win. Y'all, we at the casino. I don't know if we are in Fort Lauderdale or Miami, but we're at the Miccosukee Casino, y'all. I'm finna gamble it up tonight, y'all. I'm so excited because I have stayed here like for one night before. When me and Mr. were looking to buy his truck for his business, we stayed here one night and gambled a little bit, and I've always wanted to come back. So this was a good idea. He came up with a good one. I'm happy with this. So I'm about to walk in and I'm gonna show y'all the casino. Oop. So this is the front when you walk in.
Rolling with it done. If we catch a misdemeanor, the ears don't collide. We like communication, but that's the way she like. Nah, the only rap designer. I thought I own a business. She got her own supplier. So tell me where you like. She say that's a nice, and even though you're risky, I swear you want me tight. Hey girl, you want me pillow? It's like a river when it's walk and the fuck up and down. Swear it's on me like a river. I'm no beginner, but me fuck you like we never fuck before. Hey girl, you want me pillow?
This is 626 at Miccosukee. This is when you first walk in the door. They just have a table, a picture, a little luggage rack. It's very spacious when you first walk in. They have this cute little picture. Then when you come to the closet, we have 2 robes, an ironing board, an iron safe, towels and blankets extra. Then when you walk into the room, you have a wet bar set up, cute little picture, microwave, good little stove, and some little, that's your trash can under the sink. Looks like a queen size bed we have. Then you go over to the little TV area. You also have this little sitting area. And y'all know Big Mama love her hot tub. And Mr. know that. So we have the deep jetted tub with the stairs. I love the pillars and the mirror all around. Then we're gonna just go quickly into the bathroom. And we have the full wall is a stand-up shower. Very pretty, very cutesy, very demure. We have a double sink with extra towels. We have a phone, toilet. Y'all know pretty much that's what it is. I'm gonna enjoy my birthday and my time here. Just a quick little room tour, and I'll check in with you guys later. All right, y'all, it is a little while later. I hope y'all can hear me. I am dressed and ready to gamble. I'm not ready to start drinking yet. Baby got him a rum and coke. Now we're going to find an ATM so I can get me some money to gamble. Hopefully I'll be lucky. It's my birthday, so I might win something, y'all. Let me let y'all see. Oh, let me hold baby drink. Let me take a little sip. I just ain't feeling it right now to drink. It's almost 6:30. I might wait till a little later on in the night and then have me a drink. I just want to enjoy. And I kind of made a promise to myself about all the drinking I've been doing since I'm turning 41. I want to make some changes for me. Oh, I think somebody won a pot set at bingo, y'all. He walking around with the box with the pots. Okay, y'all. It's about to be the first 20 of the night. And this is the game we about to play. I like the way the little turkey look. I just go by how the game look. And if I like the game, I play it. So here go the first $20, y'all. Went in. I don't know how to play.
It's like a river when you walk and the fuck I come down. Sweat is on me like a river. I'm no digging up on my fuck you like you never fucked before. Hey girl, you want me pillow?
Denny's mojito?
Yes, I'm gonna start with a mojito. And what you want, baby?
I think the same thing.
You want a mojito too?
Mojito,
Yeah.
okay.
Thank you. All right, y'all. This is the restaurant we are at inside Miccosukee. I did do a gambling. I gave myself a budget to have my birthday dinner. It's very cute in here, but I don't want to show around because it's kind of a lot of people. But wherever I can show y'all how the restaurant looks, I'll show y'all. But I still want to be respectful of people eating in here and stuff like that. How do you pronounce it, baby? La Brasa?
Labrisa?
Labrisa? Look, I was saying that all wrong. But this is the name, y'all. It's very nice and pretty in here. I love the color scheme. I might have to steal. I'm actually gonna steal this color scheme for my house, y'all. It's beautiful in here. I'll check back in with y'all. Let me see what I want to eat, and I'll be back. Cause I wanted the rolls too, but I instead of the rolls, I went for the crab cakes to try them instead of bread. Cause I gave up the loaded potato for the vegetables. Well,
Just looking at you now.
Screaming at me, I'm more than half an hour. Mix the tonic with the blame. And when the river overflow, you need a life jacket to swim. And if me drowning out the process, now you tell me my hey girl, you want me pillow. It's like a river when you walk and the fuck I come down. Sweat is on me like a river. I'm no digging up on my fuck you like you never fucked before. Hey girl, you want me pillow. It's like a river when you walk and the fuck I come down. Sweat is on me like a river. I'm no digging up on my fuck you like you never fucked before.
Happy birthday, baby. And I love you very, 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 very much.
You want me pillow? It's like a river when you walk and the fuck I come down. Sweat is on me like a river. I'm no digging up on my fuck you like we never fucked before. Pretty little devil pussy tight. We got super high. Then she left her smelling on my neck.
all right, y'all. That's fine, baby. That's fine. Y'all, I just got out the hot tub. I had a great time. Y'all, that food was bussin'. I don't want this vlog to be too long. So, I'm finna end this vlog now and start me another vlog for the second day. I ended up being really surprised because the last time we stayed at this hotel, I only could stay for one night because we was here on business. But I got to stay and enjoy myself. I gambled all my money. I ate some good food. Y'all know I love a hot tub. And I'm with my man. So I'm gonna end this vlog. Thank you guys for all the birthday wishes. I really appreciate you guys so much. And I'll be starting my birthday vlog part 2 tomorrow. Bye, y'all. Happy birthday to me.
Like a river. I'm no digging up on my fuck you like we never fucked before. Hey girl, you want me pillow? It's like a river.